For my oral presentation, I have provided a PowerPoint about game wardens. In this PowerPoint, I will further go over some of the things I mentioned in my essay. What is a game warden? Game wardens, often referred to as wildlife officers, conservation officers, or fish and game wardens, are members of state and federal wildlife conservation teams, serving as commissioned law enforcement officers who enforce the laws in place to protect wildlife and natural resources on state, federal, and even privately owned land. What do game wardens do? Game wardens search for poachers, enforce hunting and fishing laws, protect the environment and its resources, and educate the public. When game wardens educate the public and enforce hunting and fishing laws, they're just making sure that everyone is doing it safely, they know how to go through the procedures safely, and make sure nothing is being taken away from the environment that will make it prosper even more. How do I become a game warden? You will need to earn a bachelor's degree, enlist in the academy, and take all the tests and exams needed. When you earn a bachelor's degree, that is a 4-year college. Many colleges around are 4 years. ASU is a local 4-year college. You also need to enlist in the academy. The academy makes sure that you are mentally tough. The academy can also be referred to as a boot camp, sort of, but it is not as harsh, and you're learning about what it takes to become a game warden. And you also learn all the information that is needed to pass the tests and exams that you have to take to become a game warden. A game warden's salary. A game warden's salary starts at $3,362.50 a month. How do I increase my salary? You can increase your salary by speaking a second language, earning a higher rank, or getting a higher degree. When I mention that you can earn a higher degree, I mean a doctoral degree, which is normally about 8 years. A lot of colleges do offer doctoral degrees. You can earn a higher ranking. That is like lieutenant, captain, and things like that. And speaking a second language can help a lot around the border area, as that's heavily influenced by Spanish people who are mainly fluent in Spanish. So if you have that, that can be stipend up to anywhere from $50 a month to $100 a month. How do I get more involved? You can follow Texas Parks and Wildlife on social media. They have Instagrams, Facebooks, Twitters. Um, Being a teenager nowadays, everyone has social media, and you can find anything about anything you want to find. And this is a great way to get involved and learn how things work and how to get more educated in this field. You can also watch TV shows. There are many TV shows on Discovery Channel or any wildlife channels about game wardens. There's one called Lone Star Law, and that one is about Texas game wardens and everything they do on a day-to-day basis.